Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the red eye in FaceApp in 2026. Is red eye ruining your photos? Don't worry, the FaceApp can fix it quickly. So let's see exactly how by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the FaceApp application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look for the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find the application, you're going to make sure to click on the installation button and wait for the installation to be completed. After the installation is completed, you're going to make sure to open the app by clicking on the open button. Then you're going to launch the app. After that, you're going to make sure you grant the app the permission to access your pictures, your camera, and your gallery. Once you give it permission, your pictures will be displayed. Only the pictures with faces in them clearly it will be displayed in this dashboard or this here. Then you're gonna select and upload the photo. You can use also the camera to upload an instant one, take an instant one. After that, you're gonna go to the eye or retouch section. Now, as you can see, there are impressions here. You can see there are a lot of impressions here. You can pick one of them. You can also click on the skin. And here you can see all these features right here. This can edit your eyes. Then you're gonna go here and go to this section right here, all the way to the section where you can see the retouch. As you can see, it has an icon, a band-aid icon. You're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna make sure to pay the premium version because this feature requires the premium version. So you're gonna make sure to pay for this premium version. Then you're gonna apply the effects by clicking on apply in the bottom right corner. As you can see here, it requires a premium version. So you're gonna make sure to pay for this premium version. Now the red eye removal is quick and easy. Fix your photos instantly with the FaceApp. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.